Good morning students, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. Today I will teach you next point of voice. Then should we start? Next point is verbs having two objects. If a verb has two objects, it means direct object and indirect object. Either of them can be used as the subject in the passive voice. For example, he gave me a pen. There are two objects in the sentence. First is me and second is a pen. We use either of them as a subjects. For example, me change into I. I was gave second form, so we will use here was. I was given a pen by him. Or we can change it another sentence. A pen was given to me by him. When we will use indirect object as a subject, then we will put a preposition before direct object. Me is direct object and a pen is indirect object. Next, the old man gave him an apple. In this sentence also two objects, him and an apple. We can use either of them one for making passive voice of this sentence. An apple gives second form, so we will use was. An apple was given to him by the old man, because him is a direct object. Or him change into he. He was given an apple by the old man. Next, imperative sentences. An imperative sentence expresses an order, an advice, or some request. In sentences showing orders, requests, advices, etc., this form is used. When we will make any passive voice from active voice and a sentence showing orders, request, advice, then we will change into you are ordered to, requested to, advised to. And when there is already let in the active sentences, the passive structure is let plus object plus be plus third form. For example, open the door. When the order form is not clear, we can use a let plus object plus be plus verb form. For example, open the door. Let the door object be plus verb form. It means let the door be opened. Next, please help me. In this sentence is request. So you are requested to help me. Next, let me do this work. According to rule, let plus object plus be plus verb third. So let object this work, let this work, after that be, let this work be, after that third form done by me, let this work be done by me. Next, don't insult your elders. In this sentence is advice, so we will start it with you are advised not to insult your elders. Next, fire at the enemy. In this sentence is order, so we will start it with you are ordered to fire at the enemy. After to we will put always first form. Next, prepositional verbs. In some sentences there is a preposition after the verb. It will be kept with the verb while changing the sentence into passive voice. Or we can say that we cannot remove the preposition after the verb. For example, he was looking for the book. In the sentence, for is preposition, so we cannot remove this preposition after the verb into passive voice. He was looking for the book. The book is object, it changes into subject. The book was looking past continuous tense, so we will use being. The book was being looked for by him. Next, she listened to me. Listened, past indefinite tense, so we will use here was or were. Me, change into I. I was listened to by her. In this sentence, to is also preposition, so we cannot remove this preposition after the verb. Next, they look at the map. The map is looked at by them. Look is first form present indefinite tense, so we will use in this sentence in passive voice is helping verb. The map is looked at by them, and look at is preposition, so we cannot remove this preposition after the verb. Have you understood it very well? Thank you, students.